Guys, so please help me figure this out. We were gifted a Labubu recently. It looks authentic and we were told it's real. But is it? Here's the packaging. The back of the box has a popmart logo that looks authentic. There's English words on the box, but there's also some Asian writing. Not sure if it's Chinese, Japanese, or Korean, or maybe all of the above. It really looks legit. And inside the box, we've got the wrapping. Again, it's got a Pop Mart logo and an image of the monsters as well. I also found a cute little card enclosed inside the box as well with an image of the Zizi Labubu. So here's what the doll looks like. The coloring on the face looks good. The ears match and seem symmetrical. On its face, it's got 9 evenly spaced painted white teeth, and the skin tone, blush, and nose look good. The face is smooth, and the little feet turn, but not a full 360 degrees. There's a purple embroidered tag that says the monsters in all caps, and it's attached to a matching purple plastic key ring. The body is furry and soft. So, what do you guys think? Leave me your comments and let me know.